Today's demanding consumers expect everything right away, without delay, accurately fulfilled, with the lowest carbon impact, and all with real-time transparency. It's no wonder your production lines are maxed out and every second counts. Make it easy on yourself. Meet your newest essential workers, Zebra ZE511 and ZE521 print engines. Ready to perform 24/7, 365 in the harshest environments with no breaks or downtime. Made for your mission-critical production lines, they fuse durable engineering with future-forward intelligence, all in an easy-to-use system. Experience innovation firsthand with Zebra's exclusive Print DNA software suite, making them easy to set up with utilities, step-by-step wizards, and mirroring with dual USB host ports. Easy to operate with the large remotable color touchscreen that shows status at a glance. Easy to manage, on-site or remotely. And easy to maintain with intelligent analytics to optimize uptime and plan maintenance on your schedule. Replace the printhead in seconds without tools and service offline with the modular design. They're even easy to secure with Zebra's unparalleled Print Secure. They have all the features you need to get the job done. Fast print speeds, premium print resolution, plenty of connectivity options. Plus, they're engineered to evolve with your business, allowing you to add wireless connectivity and RFID technology on-site, on-demand. Mission critical doesn't compromise. Neither do Zebra print engines. Push the limits. Print today. Plan for tomorrow.